To enable or disable data selling and sharing in Roblox, some Galaxy Flip 6, open Roblox, and then tap more, scroll down the screen, find settings, and then tap settings, select privacy, and then scroll down the screen. Next, on data selling and sharing, tap switch until green to enable or tap switch until gray to disable. When this settings is on, Roblox may share personal information with advertising partners to improve advertising service. Okay, tap switch until green to enable or tap switch until gray to disable. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.